A dry, bright day ahead for many of us with plenty of sunshine. It turns wetter and windier overnight tonight. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Tuesday.
Laura, it's all settled down. Still some lingering anger, it has to be said, in certain parts of the country about the fact that that flooding happened to the...
I guess the response from the Met Office is that the storm was named well in enough notice. But yes, most of the warnings in force were yellow, and the only amber ones in force were across Scotland and the north of England for snowfall. But actually, it was the snow melt, the milder air, the Welsh mountains that caused all of that water to come down to the lower level.
Can I ask, so actively your warning?
Yes.
You don't call it...
Exactly. That means we think it's going to be more than just wet and windy weather we'd see at this time of year. And there's a whole host of people that need to come together.
Right.
And that is what the Met Office will be saying in conjunction with the government, with the flood forecasting team, with the Environment Agency. So the amount of stuff that falls from the sky comes from the Met Office. The Environment Agency say what will happen on the ground.
Yeah.
So they'll still be having a big chat about all of the warnings in the coming days.
Yes, I'm sure.
Thankfully, there are no warnings in force at the moment. And actually, the weather's pretty settled.
Lovely.
Good morning to you. A quiet, settled day of weather ahead for many of us, and that's thanks to high pressure dominating. But this weather front moves in overnight tonight, bringing rain through southern areas and some strong winds. We could see a warning issued for that later, but then it clears away and high pressure then dominates for the rest of the week, keeping these weather fronts at bay. Welcome news for areas that were flooded over the weekend by Storm Bert. Today, though, it's dry for many, not for all of us. We have some showers around and a chillier start than we've been used to over the last few days. So the latest satellite and radar picks out showers across the northwest of Scotland, a few just knocking on the door of Northern Ireland, and then a band of rain across the southeast of England that's quickly clearing. In between, it is dry, it is clear, and that means it is a chilly start to our day, but a bright one. So sunshine greeting most of England and Wales, a little cloudier across Scotland and Northern Ireland when we have a few light showers, but there'll be few and far between. Mostly light, the rain in the southeast clears, and then a good-looking day ahead with light winds and plenty of sunshine. Temperatures still a little below where they should be for the time of year, 5 to 7 in the north and around about 10 to 12 degrees in the south, with that rain moving in later on today. So let's see how things pan out as we head through the next 7 days. And the main trend is that it stays relatively settled. At the moment, we have no weather warnings in force, which is welcome news. So let's look at the north of the UK first of all. So this is Scotland, Northern Ireland, the far north of England. This white line here is our temperatures where they should be for the time of year, and it's cool. A chilly outlook for the next few days, but temperatures return to where they should be for the time of year around about this weekend. Percentage chance of rainfall across the north. High pressure does its job, keeps those weather fronts at bay. It's largely fine and dry. There's some rain around on Friday and the chance of some showers on Sunday. Fortunes further south, England and Wales for the next 7 days. Again, starting off looking at our trend in temperature, and it's pretty much around about average as we head through the next few days. Chilly mind at night with some clear skies. Percentage chance of rainfall largely dry today. We have that band of rain around first thing tomorrow before it clears, and then the outlook is largely fine and settled, but turning a little cloudier by the middle of next week. And hopefully it's worth the wait, because actually it's a pretty good-looking day outside, dry for many of us, but a chilly start first thing. The latest radar shows how dry it is. We've got rain clearing in the southeast, some showers in the northwest, but many of us are fine and dry. So sunshine greets us initially, and with these blue skies taking us through the day for England and Wales, very pleasant indeed. Isolated showers for Scotland and Northern Ireland easing through the day. So we're looking at light winds, sunny spells, temperatures around about average, but a wet and windy night overnight tonight in the south.